Good morning, everybody. I'm at Supercar Sunday, and do a quick scan of what's going on here. Quick scan. It's gonna be a beautiful morning. A little drizzly. Good morning for Supercar Sunday, September 17th, and it was raining again last night, sprinkling. So people show up a little later, but we're doing a tribute to Gary Wales today. Gary is an incredibly innovative man. He builds these at his home with Andreas, and this is this Batmobile. You can see the name La Pistione, and there's nobody in the world like Gary Wales. So you can check the channel. We did a video on him, and these were all American La France fire trucks from like 1915 to 1920. He finds them in a dilapidated condition and restores them. So I said, Gary, you got to bring a handful of them out. So we'll do a tribute to you. Here you go. Gary's what you call a showman. So again, these were all rusted out, dilapidated fire trucks, and Gary brings them back. So we'll do this is the Beast of Turin, he calls it, which is his favorite vehicle. We drove these over here yesterday, and I got to tell you something. On the road, people just smile and wave and thumbs up and taking pictures. And what are those things? So this is Gary Wales. This is what he does. I think he's one of the coolest car guys in the world. My personal salute, the 1910 Fiat, driven by American Arthur Duray in December of 1913 in Belgium, on the way to set the official world record at 132.27 miles per hour. Morning. How you doing?
Yeah, pretty.
And the cars are coming in. So you can see the work in progress over here. We thought it'd be cool for everyone to see. That's Gary right there. That's the man right there. So this engine, if you watch, go back to the channel, look for the Gary Wales. We got a couple of videos up. This is a airplane bomber engine that he had to flip around so the propeller would have been in the front. And this is what they start like.
What he's using these for. You could get anything done.
So this is a good example. This is how we found the Batmobile. They had to cut down all these trees to pull it out. And that's kind of the evolution. So you kind of see up on the trailer. There's George Barris from Gary and Andreas. It's a good friend of Gary's. And he's been doing this forever. Gary's cars make people happy, that's what I'll tell you. What do you think?
Different.
Yeah. Yeah, it's an airplane bomber engine flipped around.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. So the propeller would have been in front, but it's back here. Then he's got to get a reverser to reverse the gear to drive the rear end. That's kind of what he's going for. So the day's still early, and if you look over here, this is the Buick Y job. I believe Harley Earl drove as a prototype, and Gary picked this up a few years ago. This one he bought.
There's only one Y job. The Y job was a special car they built for Harley Earl. It's a concept car, but then Harley Earl drove it as his own personal car for a long time. And I think the original is probably in a museum.
Most people don't know that. That's good knowledge.
Yeah, so he loved it. He drove it for a long time. That's a great copy. Oh my God.
Yeah. No. The same guy owns all these. Gary Wales.
Oh, okay.
He's got the red hat up there. So he builds, these are all American LaFrance fire trucks that he finds in 1915 about 1920, takes them home, strips them down, and then does his creations on them. But the Y job meant a lot to him, knows the history of the provenance like you do.
Yeah.
And he's found this recreation, he had to have it.
Wow. Oh my God, that's amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd love to talk to you about it. Fun stuff. So more cars on the way. Like I said, it was raining out a little bit today, and another beautiful day at Supercar Sunday. There's the rain on that Porsche. So back here at Supercar Sunday, brought to you by Porsche Laguna Hills, and it's a tribute to Gary Wales Day, and people are just tripping out that he builds these at his house. Him and Andreas, one guy. And people are just blown away. He's got pictures out, and they can't believe.
Oh yeah, electric, and it was the first car ever to have.
So it's a great day out here. A lot of kids taking pictures. Everybody's smiling. You know, it's. Gary always says kids love the car, people love the car, and that's why he does it. And you know, people are just in awe. It's so nice to have all these out here together. Great day. Thank you, Gary, for everything you do.